Hello and welcome to the next video. We have May now and I have my calendar sheet here and printed and cut some of the Wanderlust collection. Some elements which I will use in this calendar. So first let's glue the calendar. And then we start painting our background. I will use this metallic gold acrylic and with the red, not brush. And then I will use my magicals from Lindy's. This is a powder, and if you add water you get some really magical colors. So this is green, and now you can see if I add water what will happen. And now we will use a stencil, and for this stencil I will mix my modeling paste with a little bit of color. I don't want to have this clear white on the page, so we recolor it a little bit. So now we bring a little bit of texture on the side, on the page. Now let's do some stamping. I have this cute mushroom house, and I think I will colorize it with watercolors after I stamped it. So I think this is fine now, and we can start to add our elements. So this was my calendar sheet for May. I hope you enjoyed the video and I could give you some inspiration. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye.